New episode about front energy absorption section removal. Did the bumper removal over right there. It's relatively easy. Then was removing the carrier. I have to lower the radiator. Learn a trick from online where you put a couple of stuff on down there just to support it and using two elastic hook to hook it. So that this is pretty lightweight. You can lift it with one hand. The important thing is this way you don't have to disconnect all the in and out hoses which contains coolant, which will be a mess if you have to take it all out. Other than that, once that was taken off, the only reason I had to take it off is because the where this is positioned blocks the access to the 4 bolts that's connecting the upper crush can, and my upper crush can on the left side was a little bit damaged. So took out the bumper, lowered that to create space, removed that, removed the upper crush can, removed the lower crush can, also removed the front carrier. Only thing remaining was the structural work right here. I'll give it a try tomorrow, see if it works, and take a look at the result. Other than the front, the bumper beam, this is the result of all things I disassembled today in the afternoon. The front carrier, only part of damage was right here, the plastic damage, which I honestly don't give a damn. It's not gonna affect the usage at all. Everything else should be usable, and the other part is this is a little bit damaged, but ordering this part is a little like $4 or something, might as well. And I didn't have to take it off, but I wouldn't be able to replace other things if I don't take it off, so I just did it. Other things, the FEM bracket. FEM bracket was front end module bracket, short for. This is the only part that was damaged. It's supposed to be flat and flush, but was elevated a little bit from the collision. I mean, it's probably repairable, but replacing these things like less than $20 a piece, so it's not a big deal. Similar thing for, I think all these 3 pieces are related to front energy absorption, which is probably the highest frequently used replace parts. This part, take a look. The damage was very minor, but it's noticeable. It's supposed to be flat. As you can see, it's damaged. It's more visible here where my finger is pointing. This is where the most of the damage is. And the lower crush can, I honestly don't think was damaged. So I already ordered new parts for this one, but I think I can maybe get away with continue using this. At least I didn't notice any visual damage. Yeah, that's it. That's for the update today. We'll see you next episode.